Some plants support others, and in doing so, they teach us how life works. In Ghana, there is a tree known to science as Funtumia elastica. It is a forest tree that produces a milky sap, a natural latex. When it dries, it becomes sticky and elastic. Many people remember this sap from childhood. It was used to make small rubber balls for play. Hunters also used it to trap birds, coating palm fronds with the latex and placing them where birds like to perch. But the deeper lesson of the Funtumia tree lies in how it relates to other plants. There is a climbing vine that often grows around it. The vine cannot stand tall on its own, so it wraps itself tightly around the Funtumia tree for support. At first, the relationship seems helpful, but as the vine grows, it presses harder. It scrapes the bark, it weighs down the branches. Slowly, it weakens the very tree that holds it up. In time, the Funtumia tree dies, and when it falls, the vine dies too. From this, the Akans draw a proverb. When the Funtumia tree dies, the climbing plant also suffers. The meaning is simple. If you destroy what supports you, you destroy yourself as well. This is how nature teaches moral wisdom, quietly and patiently. Plants observe no speeches, yet their lives explain human behavior better than many books. Stories like this, where botany and philosophy meet, are explored in Botanical Wisdom from West Africa, available on Amazon. The Funtumia tree reminds us of a truth we often forget. Support should not be punished. Dependence should be humble. And growth should never strangle the hand that holds us up. Nature always speaks. The question is whether we are listening.